Hey Canva creatives! Welcome back to Skills Forge Pro. Today's episode is going to be fun and experimental. We're diving into something a bit different, testing out virtual dressing apps on Canva. All right, let's head over to the Canva app section and type in outfits. For our first test, I'm picking an app called Virtual Try On. Sounds promising, right? To make this work, we'll need two images, one of the model and one of the clothing item. Luckily, I've already got both saved on my desktop. Let's upload them and drag them onto the canvas. Today's outfit choice? A bold red Hugo Boss jacket, and here's our model. Now let's select both images, activate the app, and hit try it on. Moment of truth? Let's see what happens. And, okay, wow. So the jacket is on, but where are the sleeves? Did they get lost on the way to the runway? Honestly, I was expecting something a bit more polished, but hey, we're here to test things, right? So there you have it. The first app didn't quite blow us away, but sometimes that's part of the fun. We'll test another one soon, so stay tuned. If you found this little experiment helpful, or at least entertaining, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment below to tell us which Canva features you'd love to explore next. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching. Canva creatives, keep creating and stay awesome.